world's a stage and we are lost in our scenes, lost in between realities and what we see, and lost so deep but choose to be with all these comforts and fantasies, and with these whispers promising bliss that just keeps us so involved and heightens the fall. But you don't see it and I don't know why, and every time that I try I'm just pushed aside, and I'm watching you go, walk towards the door that ends the show. And although I've said it before, please, I need you now to know. See, I know it's a lot, but I know in my heart that what you see to be the ending is really the start.
It's all a dream now, not what it seems. It's all a dream now. It's all a dream. Far too long, a setback is a nightmare. Too many dreams with an empty sense of confidence. Changing nothing, breaking myself, never understand. When you're asleep, it's unique how you comprehend. See, you got control if you know. If not, well, friend, just a part of the show for those in the know. The future's there to control. Have the map for two roads. Always reap what you sow. This is a dream, a test to the day that we don't say, but speak with the chest. And I can deal with the stress, cause I think of the best. And then me, waking up with the rest. And it's all a dream now. It's not what it seems. It's all a dream now. It's all a dream.
First thing you told me we belong together, and never have you known someone you'd want forever until me. But I was caught within my thoughts and whether or not to keep it going, knowing you had my heart. See, you had my all, it's true. I saw you as an angel falling from God for me, and so I wanted to protect your light, and so I told you all about this test called life. Everything between the earth and the skies, and the truth that lies behind what eyes can't find. And when we spoke, it seemed like you could